How to properly bench press for explosive muscle growth. The bench press is a foundational exercise for building upper body strength and muscle mass. When executed with proper form and technique, it can become a potent tool for achieving massive muscle growth in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. In this guide, we will delve into the nuances of mastering the bench press to optimize your training and unlock substantial gains. 1. Warm-up. Before diving into heavy lifts, it's crucial to prepare your body through a comprehensive warm-up. Engage in light cardio to increase blood flow and follow up with dynamic stretches targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Warming up primes your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injury during the bench press. 2. Proper body position. Optimal body positioning is the foundation of a successful bench press. Lie flat on the bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Your back should be arched, creating a natural curve in your spine. Grip the barbell with hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, maintaining a firm grip throughout the lift. 3. Grip and hand placement. Experiment with different grip widths to find what feels most comfortable for you. A wider grip generally emphasizes the chest, while a narrower grip targets the triceps. Ensure your hands are symmetrical on the bar to maintain balance and stability. 4. Bar descent and ascent. Control is key during both the descent and ascent phases. Lower the bar with control to your chest, keeping your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Explosively push the bar back to the starting position, engaging your chest and triceps. Avoid bouncing the bar off your chest, as this can lead to injury and diminish the effectiveness of the exercise. 5. Breathing technique. Maintain a consistent breathing pattern to support your efforts. Inhale as you lower the bar and exhale forcefully as you push it back up. This controlled breathing helps stabilize your core and enhances overall performance. 6. Use a spotter. Especially when lifting heavy, having a spotter is invaluable. A spotter can provide assistance if you struggle with a rep, ensuring safety and allowing you to push your limits without fear of injury. 7. Variations and progressions. To continually challenge your muscles, incorporate variations and progressions into your bench press routine. This could include incline or decline bench presses, dumbbell presses, or utilizing different grips. Additionally, gradually increase the weight as your strength improves. 8. Rest and recovery. Muscle growth occurs during periods of rest, so allow your muscles ample time to recover between bench press sessions. Aim for at least 48 hours of rest before targeting the same muscle groups again. By mastering the bench press with proper form, technique, and strategic training, you can unlock massive muscle growth in your upper body. Remember to prioritize safety, listen to your body, and progressively challenge yourself to achieve sustained and impressive results. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.